Welcome students. In the last question we had discussed how we can prove that the given vertices are the vertices of a parallelogram by finding out the slope of the sides AB, BC, CD and AD, and what we find finally that the slope of AB and the slope of CD are same. So when the slope are same, we can say that the lines are parallel, that we had already studied. The slope of BC and the slope of AD, they are also same, they are also equal. So BC is parallel to AD. When AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD, then the figure, the quadrilateral, is called a parallelogram. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. And the question is, find the angle between x-axis and the line joining the points 3, -1 and 4, -2. So slope of, say this is AB, slope of AB will be what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is -1, slope of AB. Now as we are finding the angle with x-axis, so what we will do? We will just calculate tan theta, because what is theta? Theta is the angle made by the line with x-axis. Theta is the angle made by the line with x-axis. So what is the value of theta when tan theta is -1? Why I am writing tan theta? Because we know that slope is written as tan theta. Slope is the tangent of the angle of inclination. So this angle theta is the angle between line and x-axis. So tan theta is equals to -1 and theta will be equal to 135 degree. Why 135? Because tan is negative in this quadrant and this is 180 minus theta quadrant. So 180 minus 45. Why 45? Because this is 1. And when theta is 45, the tan theta is 1. So that's why the angle will be 135. So in this way, theta, the angle between the line and x-axis, is 135 degree. Now let's move on to the next question. The slope of a line is double the slope of another line if the tangent of the angle between them, tangent of the angle between them is 1/3. Tangent of the angle between them is 1/3. Slope of line 1 is 2m. Slope of line 2 is equals to m. Why it is like that? Because it is given in the question that the slope of one line is double the slope of the another line, and the tangent and the angle between and the tangent of the angle between them is 1/3, and we know that what is tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So 2m minus m upon 1 plus 2m into m, that is equal to 1/3. This is m upon 1 plus 2m square is equals to 1/3, or if you remove this plus, this mod sign, then we can put plus minus there, because mod sign represents both positive as well as negative quantities. When you remove mod sign, the plus minus sign will be there to the left hand side. Now let's multiply 1 plus 2m square is equals to plus minus 3m. So it gets bifurcated. 2m square minus 3m plus 1 and 2m square plus 3m minus 1, 3m plus 1. So this will be 2m square minus 2m minus m plus 1 is equals to 0. We will take 2m common, and finally what you will get? You will get the value of m equals to 1 and 1 by 2. Similarly, from here you will get the value of m equals to minus 1 by 2 and minus 1. Therefore, the slope are 1 upon 2, 1, minus 1 upon 2 and 1. So, m, if m is 1 upon 2 and 1, then 2m will be 1 and 2. When m is minus, then 2m will be 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. So these are the four slopes, m to m, because we have two lines. We have two lines L1 and L2. One is having slope m, another is having slope 2m. So we have to write the slope of the lines as the answer. So that's why we have these four answers. Now next, it is given that a line passes through x1, y1 and hk. Line passes through x1, y1. A line passes through x1, y1 and hk. And the slope of this line is given as m. We know that slope of the line is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is given equal to m. So we will shift the denominator. We will shift the denominator to that side. And now what we are having? The same we have to prove. यही हमें prove करना था. ये आ गया हमारा यहाँ पर. This is what we have to prove. Then next we have 3 points H0, AB, H0, AB and 0K. We have 3 points which are lie on the line. These are the 3 points lying on the line. We have to show that x upon a upon h plus b upon k is equals to 1. तो अगर मैं इसको a, इसको b और इसको c ले लूं, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में बताया था कि अगर पॉइंट्स एक ही लाइन पर लाई करते हैं तो उनके स्लोप बराबर होते हैं. द पॉइंट्स लाई ऑन द सेम लाइन, देन द स्लोप आर सेम. सो y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. देन bc के लिए y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. When you cross multiply it, you will get like this. This AB get cancelled. So AK plus BH is equals to HK. Dividing by HK, the whole equation divided by HK. So you will get the relation. What is required? A upon H plus B upon K is equals to 1. Very important question. These last 3-4 questions, very important. Especially question number 8, question number 10, question number 11, question number 12, question number 13. These are all very important questions. आप मार्क कर लें इनको जो मैंने बताए हैं आपको. एक बार और बता देता हूं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 मार्क कर लीजिए. सॉरी 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13. These are very important questions from examination point of view. अब एक और सवाल है हमारे पास में. हालांकि बड़ा ही सरल सा सवाल है। उसमें वो कह रहा है अपन से कि फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन ए बी एंड फाइंड व्हाट विल द पॉपुलेशन इन द ईयर दिस ए बी, slope of AB. You all know the formula, it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 this will be 5 upon 10. So we got the slope of the line AB is equals to 1 upon 2. When the slope is 1 upon 2, what they are asking? They are asking that what will the population in the year 2010. तो 1995 के साथ 97 है, 2010 के साथ में क्या होगा? तो ये जो पॉइंट है आपका, जो आपको इन्होंने पॉइंट दिए हुए हैं, वो ऑलरेडी जैसे ए पॉइंट जो दिया हुआ है वो 1985 और 92, जो आपको बी पॉइंट दिया है वो 1995 और 97, और जो आपको सी पॉइंट अपन ले रहे हैं अभी 2010 के लिए, ये सारे पॉइंट एक ही लाइन में हैं। तो slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Again the same concept we are using here to get the value of y, the population in crores. These are the population 97. This is what? This is 97 crore. Okay. So again the same thing. Slope of AB is equals to slope of BC. We are calculating the slope of AB as 1 upon 2, slope of BC y minus 97 upon 2010 1995. This will be 15 is equals to 2 into y minus 97. 2y will be equal to 15 plus 194. 2y will be equal to, so y will be 104.5 crores. So this is all about the first exercise. We will complete the first exercise. So students, in the next video I will upload the second exercise, which is an exercise based on the equation of lines. So before that we will see that what type of lines, what are the different forms of the lines we have. Thank you students. Have a nice day.